Alrighty, so I completely unboxed my entire P.Louise box. Did not realize that I did not hit record. So this is going to be a very interesting rundown of what I unboxed. First, let me show you the box, because this is the first time I got a P.Louise box that was not damaged at all. Here it is. I do love the box. Inside the box, 3 products. This month's box cost me $37. They had the Repair from 22. This is a repair lotion. This is a duplicate because I've already gotten one. I think it was like maybe 3 or 4 months ago. So I'm not going to open this one. The product that they hyped on the Instagram that I was looking forward to getting was this. It's their lip balm kit. Mine is from, the scent is watermelon. And luckily I didn't record my expressions. There's 2 inside. So you get one with a squeezy tube and one with a pump up tube. And here it is. You're going to see this right here, the shiny one, the big swatch. That is the squeezy tube. This sucker smells like strong menthol. And so here's what it looks like. This is the little tube you squeeze it out of. I mean, as soon as I squeeze it on my hand, you don't smell watermelon at all. All you smell is menthol. In the winter, this may be handy because, you know, especially with season change. So I feel like, you know, when you're not hugged up on somebody, you don't want them to be near you, this might work, but I don't know if you can, I don't know if you'll be able to smell it on your lips is what I'm trying to say. But I mean, here I can't smell it. But here I can smell it. So literally is an inch difference between smelling it and not smelling, and it has a strong menthol scent. So that one I wasn't thrilled with. Then the second one is a little pump up tube where you press the bottom and it extends. It doesn't push it out by much. I mean, literally now I can see it moving. And that is this one right here. You can see it does not add any color, but it does add like a sheen. You cannot smell the watermelon. Because I swiped it on here because I kept smelling the menthol. So I swatched it over here, which you can see right there. You cannot smell anything. So I'm not sure why they're calling it watermelon. The thing that I was most excited about and was like reading to you the title and everything is this. Let me unhook the freaking key. It does have a key that you, their format where it's really thick. So this is the Hocus Pocus Regain Focus. It says Hocus Pocus Regain Focus. Sometimes razor edge words come from those who lurk closest. Better watch your back and prepare for a full moon. Darkness is coming. It'll catch you soon. Okay, what is that? Run fast through the night and fear for your life. People are cruel and cut sharp as a knife. Brew a secret potion, some black magic to lift their webs of lies. Wicked enticed voodoos in frightening disguise. Will it be a trick or a treat? Let's stir up some trouble. They thought they had me haunted. Well, it's time to bust their bubble. Not very good rhyming. Beat them at their own game, cause I'm done with playing nice. Next time they mess with me, they'll stop and think twice. Interesting. And then you see, that was on the back of it, and then you'll see this, where it says, basically the first words of the rhyme that's on the back. So when you open this, on the first side, you'll see here are the shades, and very winter, very fallish. So yeah, it fits within the theme. And I did swatch this one, which is Ghoul's Gang. And then on the other side, let me try not to blind you with the light. I wasn't as thrilled with this because these purple shades right here look like they're similar to the ones I have back in that purple palette. So I was like, adding purple when you already gave us a purple palette, I don't know about that. But I do like the greens. I just wish we had little more greens. And this is a black, which I swatched, and this is called Dark Soul. So this is the black, and then over here is the burgundy one. So you can see it's a really dark burgundy. So I definitely will try these tomorrow. I have not been disappointed with P.Louise's eyeshadow palettes. I've been very impressed with the longevity of their palettes as well as the intensity. So I don't feel like these should be any different from what they normally have. That's pretty much what I had said the first time I thought I was recording this. Overall, guys, I feel like for $37, this wasn't really bad. I wish this didn't. I'm on the fence about this. I see the pros and cons to it. The pros is that, yeah, you're gonna need lip balm. Eventually you might need a menthol one. Might as well get this. So yeah, this I just wish was not a duplicate because I've gotten this previously. And they've been sending out, I feel like almost every box I've been getting something from the repair from 22. Which you might need to repair from 22, but now they need to do a repair from 23 because 23 has been acting kind of crazy for me. But that's it. This is the 3 things that I got in P.Louise this month. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think of this month's package, this month's subscription? Remember, since they're from Europe, it takes them a month to send it to you. So this technically is the September box. You just got it in October. But thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for dealing with my absence. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Know that you are blessed in love, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.